What is going on, beautiful people? Welcome to Play Black Wall Street, and we're gonna go through the 6 steps to play Black Wall Street, the board game.
Step 1, choose your player pieces. We've got all different colors, so choose your favorite color.
Step 2, shuffle the draw and venture cards. Definitely want to make sure you shuffle those because there's some cards in there that are game changers.
Step 3, choose a person to be your banker, and they're going to pass out $600 to every single player. Let me give you a hint, or like a key here, choose somebody you can trust. You'll thank me later.
Step number 4, everybody chooses a venture card. This is your secret mission. Don't tell anybody. When you achieve your venture, you get venture capital.
Step 5, everybody's going to roll the dice to see who goes first. The person with the highest number is going to start, and then it's going to go clockwise from there.
And finally, step 6, it is time to play. Go ahead and roll the dice, and when you land on that first business, you can either use it or you can own it. And make sure when you play Black Wall Street, you play to win.
You ready to play?